Set 1.2 is related to graph. We'll study it later. Now, practice set 1.3. Before that, we'll see two formulas: A, B, C, D. This is known as determinants cross multiply A into D minus C into B. Now let us solve some examples. ये एकदम 3, 4, 2, 5 3 into which is equal to 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. First one 1 7 2 4. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. 1 into 4 is 4, sign minus, 7 2s are 14, minus minus, which is equal to plus. 14 plus 4 is 18, greater number sign is minus, so final answer is minus 18. Similarly, you all can solve second example. 5 3 minus 7 0. This is for homework. Third example 7.3 7 upon 3 5 upon 3 3 upon 2 1 upon 2. Cross multiply 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 7 1s are 7, 3 into 2, which is equal to 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Since denominators are same, so direct minus. 7 minus 15 upon 6, 7 minus 15, which is equal to 8 upon 6, but greater number sign is minus, so minus 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Answer is minus 4 upon 3. Rule, let us see what is Cramer's rule. Let us consider two equations, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Next equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. D, which is equal to, consider a1 b1 a2 b2 dx. Here first consider c1 b1 c2 b2. In dx you will have to eliminate x term and consider constant, that is c1 and y variable. Now in dy eliminate variable y and consider x and constant term, that is a1 c1 a2 c2. To find x, formalize dx upon d. To find y, formalize dy upon d. This is Cramer's rule formula. Example, practice set 1.3. Third question, first one. 3x minus 4y, which is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y, which is equal to 5. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. First, compare equation 1 by a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is our general formula. And equation 2 by a2x plus b2y is equal to C2. Now A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to -4, C1 is equal to 10, A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to 5. You have to compare with our first and second equation and you will get the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now formula. By Cramer's rule, D is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2. A1 that is 3, B1 is -4, A2 is 4, B2 is 3. Now cross multiply. 3 into 3 minus -4 into 4. 3 3s are 9 minus -4 into -4 is 4 4s are 16. Minus will get convert into plus. 16 plus 9 which is equal to 25. Similarly dx formula is C1 B1 C2 B2. C1 10, B1 is -4, C2 5, B2 is 3. Again cross multiply. That is 10 into 3 minus -4 into 5. 10 3s are 30, minus which will get convert into plus. 5 4s are 20. 30 plus 20 which is equal to 50. Therefore the value of dx is 50. Now dy formula is A1 C1 A2 C2. A1 term 3, A2 term 4, C1 term is 10, C2 term is 5. Cross multiply. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4, 3 5s are 15, 10 4s are 40, 40 minus 15 which is equal to. Now to find value of x and y, x is equal to dx upon d, that is value of dx is 50, value of d is 25, 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are, x is equal to 2. Similarly, y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to dy is equal to -25, d is equal to 25, 25 1s are 25, 25 1s are 25, y is equal to -1. Therefore, solution x comma y which is equal to 2 comma -1. This is your final answer. There are some examples which you all have to solve for your homework. That is, first one, 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Second example is x plus 2y which is equal to -1. 2x minus 3y which is equal to 12. Third example is 6x minus 4y which is equal to -12. 8x minus 3y which is equal to -2. Fourth example, 4m plus 6n which is equal to 54. 3m plus 2n which is equal to 28.